Welcome to this screencast. We're going to show you some of the exciting new features coming in CODA 2.0. Here you can see the new 2.0 interface for CODA. As you can see, it's radically different from what went before. It is now structured along the lines of the tasks that the user will want to achieve, rather than the technical underpinnings of CODA. To the left is a main menu, which gives you access to all the different task areas, such as content management, screen scheduling, content assignment, and hardware management. Let's take a look for each one of these panels individually. Here you can see the content management pane. This is where you manage all of the content that you've put into CODA that you want to put on displays. In the main area here you can see icons representing each item of content, and on the left, a playlist area where you can group content together. Let's add a new playlist. We simply click on the Add button, type in the name of the playlist into the dialog box, and click OK. To add content to that playlist, we simply select the icons and drag them into the playlist. Let's have a look. There they are. To reorder, we simply drag the items into the order we want. Editing the durations of the items in the playlist is similarly easy. Now let's add some new content to CODA. Here I'm creating a playlist into which I'm going to upload some content. In CODA 2.0, we support new content types such as PowerPoint and PDF, making it much easier to get the content that you already have onto your displays. There's many ways to get content into CODA, such as linking to existing content on the web, but here I'm uploading a bunch of charts that I have on my computer. After I've selected them, the CODA website will upload them to our main server, where they'll be instantly available to put on any of your displays. It really is that easy to get your content onto the displays where you want them. Speaking of which, let's have a look at how you assign all this content to displays. In the content assignment pane, we can see two columns. On the left, our content, and on the right, our displays. And to assign content to a display, we simply drag it across and drop it on the display. The website tells us in real time what displays are currently showing, so we always know what the system is up to, even if we're not in front of a screen. If we want to turn off a screen, then we simply select that screen and click the blank button, giving us a quick and easy mechanism to ensure displays are turned off. To help you quickly find the content and displays you're looking for, you can perform a real-time search in the website, which will show you just what you're interested in. Next, let's take a look at screen scheduling. Screen scheduling is a new feature that allows you to specify exactly when you want content to appear on your screens. Editing a schedule is a lot like editing your calendar. You just block off regions of time and then assign a particular source to that region. You can also specify repeat styles, such as weekday, monthly, or yearly events. Once I've specified the events in the calendar, I can simply go back to the content assignment pane and assign that calendar to a display, and the display will obey what is in the schedule. The final view of your CODA system is the hardware management pane. Here you can examine the displays in your CODA system, specifying things like their screen resolution and orientation. You can manage the sites they're in, and you can edit your CODA box settings and do software updates. However, it is our aim that you hardly ever have to visit this view, because mostly we want you to be putting the content on your screens, not managing the screens themselves. And that concludes our tour of the new CODA system. We're really excited about this release, and we're really looking forward to getting it in your hands really soon. Thanks for listening.